Welcome back to Hatan's Kitchen. Without making everyone wait any longer, let us start with today's main dish. Shrimp spring rolls are a famous specialty of the central region, especially Binh Dinh. Prepare ingredients: rice paper rolls, 1 pack, about 30 pieces. 300 grams of fresh shrimp, land shrimp is best. 100 grams of ground pork, with both lean and fat. 1 small carrot, 1 small taro or potato, 1 half onion, 5 to 7 ears of wood ear mushrooms, glass noodles, 1 small bunch, 1 egg seasoning, fish sauce, sugar, pepper, seasoning powder, optional. Cooking oil steps to make: wash the fresh shrimp, peel, remove the head and black thread on the back. Put the shrimp in the blender and blend it. Marinate the ground pork with a little seasoning. Peel carrots, taro, or potatoes, cut into thin strips or dice. Peel onions, chop finely, soak wood ear mushrooms, wash, remove stems, slice into strips. Soak cellophane noodles until soft, cut into 2 to 3 centimeters pieces. Add minced shrimp, minced meat, carrots, taro/potatoes, onions, wood ear mushrooms, cellophane noodles into a large bowl. Crack an egg, or egg white, add the prepared spices, fish sauce, sugar, pepper, seasoning powder. Mix all ingredients and spices well. Let the filling rest for about 15 minutes to absorb. Spring roll rolls. Prepare a bowl of filtered water. Quickly dip the rice paper in water until slightly soft. Place the rice paper on a clean flat surface. Put a moderate amount of filling on the edge of the cake. Fold the 2 edges of the cake in and roll it up. Roll tightly so the spring rolls do not fall apart. Fry the spring rolls. Pour cooking oil into the pan, enough oil to cover the spring rolls. Heat oil over medium heat. Fry the spring rolls over low to medium heat until they are lightly cooked, slightly firm and light golden brown. Remove and drain. Second frying, crispy when it is almost time to eat, reheat the oil over high heat. Fry the pre-fried spring rolls quickly until they are golden brown and crispy. Remove and place on absorbent paper. Presentation and serving. Cut the spring rolls into bite-sized diagonal pieces, about 3 to 4 centimeters, and arrange on a plate. Enjoy hot with raw vegetables, lettuce, herbs, and fresh vermicelli, optional. Dip with sweet and sour fish sauce mixed to taste. Things to note: rice paper quality. Choose spring roll rice paper/rice paper tray or the type specifically used for deep frying. When dipping in water, dip quickly to avoid making the rice paper too wet. Freshwater prawns will give the sweetest and most flavorful taste. Do not grind the shrimp too finely to retain the crunchiness. Fry twice, helps the spring rolls stay crispy for a long time and cook evenly from the inside out. The first time is fried on low-medium heat to cook the filling. The second time is fried on high heat to create crispiness and beautiful color. The filling is not wet. If the filling is too wet, the spring rolls will easily burst. You can squeeze out the water from the vegetables after cutting them into strips and use egg whites instead of whole eggs to make the filling stickier without excess water. Shrimp spring rolls are a famous specialty of the central region, especially Binh Dinh. This dish is a perfect combination of a crispy, golden brown rice paper/rice paper crust, covering the sweet, pureed fresh shrimp filling, mixed with vegetables and rich spices. The distinctive flavor of the prawns, usually small prawns, brings a natural sweetness, creating a delicious crispy fried roll, ideal to eat with noodles, raw vegetables, or as an appetizer. Our video ends here. We hope that this recipe will help you enrich your menu. Wish you success with the dish and see you again in the next video sharing cooking tips and recipes.